hmm the U.S. Courts Library, Fifth Circuit. Yes. U.S. Courts, Northern District of California, Handbook of U.S. Bankruptcy Courts and Resources. Yes. And then we have the American Judicature Society Pro Se Forum. Oh, Pine Tree Legal Assistance. Yeah. The LSC Resource Library Pro Se page. Mm. The National Federation of Paralegal Associations. Oh, now I've already gotten a copy of the Jailhouse Lawyers Pro Se Self-Help and Legal Research Center. Yeah. hmm I remember putting that on one of the drives and reading through it. Now, selfhelpsupport.org, one of these self-help support websites. Yeah. Name change center, choose your state, name change information. Then there's the American Bar Association, find legal help. ABA Pro Se Law Center. Yeah. ABA Public Information website. Legal Information Institute and the LII category WEX list of law help. Yeah. Now, I spent the last 4 years communicating, yes, emailing, making videos, recordings, yes, documenting crimes. Then there's the United States Constitution. Oh. Yesterday I was looking at a website called the Bill of Rights Institute. Yes, they provide all this documentation available to teachers and students, yes, about why there are certain documents in the United States that we have to enforce, yes. And it seems that the United States Constitution is one of those documents, yes, that if you know of any Bill of Rights, the 10 amendments in the Bill of Rights, yeah, that are being violated, there's an obligation to have to enforce it. Yeah. Now, I looked at all the students that were going to this institute. Yeah. Or they might even pay to do this. Right. It's like a summer camp for students that want to know about the Bill of Rights. Yes. And then I looked at the teachers. Well, it looks like, yes, that somebody had decided that we don't have to support and defend the Constitution of the United States. We do not have to enforce the 10 amendments of the Bill of Rights. In fact, we don't have to enforce all 27 of them. But when I tell you that I was not given any due process, yes, that you took my life, my liberty, and my property without due process, yeah, you as a court said what? Well, we have to do it. Paul is crazy, and in the opinion of the court and the discretion of the court, Brent Basden, we're going to issue a protection order where there is no due process to the respondent. Right. The petitioner doesn't appear in court. Yes. And the actual employees of the court were not the individuals that are. Well, Christy Miller's forgery obviously indicates that the individual right now. Now, I would say that protection order, just looking at the U.S. Constitution, there is no possible way, as in it is impossible, yes, that you can ever have a forgery of any court officer of any court of the United States. You just can't have it. Now, I don't know as it's happened in hundreds of years, but I did say that's $1 trillion protection order that you served on me. Yes, and I'm going to get that $1 trillion. See, I'm really going to do what I say. Pooch, I'm going to help myself. And every time that I have any knowledge of any money that's available to me, yes, either in a lawsuit, yes, an inheritance, a restitution, yeah, or an innovation, I'm going to get the money. Yes. Now, your thought was, well, it's wrong right now. I'm going to get the fucking money. Anytime I have the legal right to any money, I'm going to take it. I'm helping myself when I do that. Now, for those in the police department that said, well, we just can't enforce the civil rights of American citizens, my self help guide would tell me, Paul, you should help yourself today. Yes. You should take every asset of every police officer right now.